Moving forward around the customer-centric area, how can organizations help be responsive to the customers? Because the customers and your consumers are helping reshape the end product by giving a lot of feedback, giving their demands, their specific requirements, which really which drives manufacturing, and it allows you to provide the customer in your industry customized products at a lower price. Now, how does that benefit? Gathering all this information as you go on the journey and service the customer and getting responsiveness from the customer provides you the ability to contribute to product development, improve manufacturing efficiencies, and provide the customers better acquisition costs through customized products.